High praise be to the Most High God as we get into our discussion on Manny Pacquiao. You know, people have been saying that, you know, Pacquiao's washed up and the competition he's facing is just duds. And he ain't, well, listen, man. Look here. Manny Pacquiao 1 is not washed up. Manny Pacquiao 2 is boxing better than he's ever boxed before. And Manny Pacquiao number 3, he got that pop still. Here you see him as he wobbles Adrian Broner. We're going to look at the other 7 matches he had after he was knocked out by Marquez. You know what I'm saying? Deadly, deadly. And remember, Pacquiao ain't nothing but 5'4", 5'3", with shoes on 5'5". He's small. And if you see him in clothes, he look like your son. He look like a little kid. He's short and small. And he still makes up that ground to hit a 5'6" Adrian Broner. Kudos to Adrian Broner. Because Adrian Broner is doing better than most opponents that face Manny Pacquiao by remaining on his feet, 1, 2, by absorbing all that kind of punishment. He absorbed more punishment than Floyd Mayweather did against Pacquiao. And it's really remarkable because Pacquiao was going to crash his ass in rounds number 7 and rounds number 9. Pacquiao was about to get him out of there, right? And this is, I think this is round 9, where he cracks him flush on the jaw. And this is not the, he's done it to another opponent, another person. I will remind you when I get to that. That person went down, all right? So let's just look at the fights that Pacquiao had after he was dropped by Marquez. So this was the latest one. Here's another one. Lucas Matisse dropped him twice before this, and then the fight is stopped after this. Matisse, again, suffering from seems as though the same damage that happened in the Victor Postol fight. But to be fair, Matisse was trying to be game in the fight. He was trying to land punches on Pacquiao. He just couldn't land the punches as he wanted to. He did land 1 or 2 straight rights. But Pacquiao just pretty much cracked his nut, man. His nugget got cracked. Again, you cannot underestimate Pacquiao's power, man. You just can't. Dude got it. And you think I'm joking? Let's see the other fight before that. It was Jeff Horn. No, it was Jesse Vargas. Dropped his ass. Actually, it was Jeff Horn. Where's Jeff Horn? Where's Jeff Horn here? Okay. Boom! Tried to hold on and wobble all the way across the ring and then bounce up and down like a pongo stick. Boom! Oh, that 9th round, boy. Messed up Jeff Horn's face and everything. Man. Pacquiao, man. Hopefully he gets a rematch with Jeff Horn sometime in the future just to avenge that loss. Because honestly, man, Jeff Horn shouldn't have beaten Manny Pacquiao. He had a good game plan, don't get me wrong. But he should not have beaten Manny Pacquiao, man. That's Manny Pacquiao. That's on you, Manny Pacquiao. Should have beaten that dude. Yeah, so Jeff Horn was the other fight. Look at it. Oh, man. Jesse Vargas now. Dropped him like a... Jesse Vargas, he was just so quick. Vargas didn't know. He couldn't see the angle. And boom, down he went. That's not exactly the same shot as what happened with Adrian Broner, right? It's not exactly the same shot, but it's still very effective. Vargas fought well, though, in that fight. I'm not going to lie. He fought well. He landed some lead rights on Pacquiao. It was good stuff. This is the one. This is not the one either. Timothy Bradley here getting knocked down. Boom. Woo. Bradley was a tough customer as well. Hits him a right hook and catches him with a double left hook. Boom. Put him down in the seat of his pants. So, you know, all I'm saying is Adrian Broner did better than all those guys, except for Jeff Horn. Jeff Horn did well, but Jeff Horn's face got bloody. Adrian Broner didn't even have a bloody face at the end. Even Mayweather had a little bump on his lip after this. Boom! He's like, woo! You know what I'm saying? Pacquiao got him in trouble twice, round 4 and round 6. This is the shot I'm talking about right here. Boom! That's the same shot Adrian Broner got hit with. I'll show you. And I remember they were interviewing his coach, I think it was Max Kellerman, and the guy was like, okay, we're gonna let him out of his cage. Boom! And sees the same shot. Watch it. See? Boom. Bruno did well to stay up on his feet there. Chris Algieri, who's really in great shape too, he got rocked, man. He got rocked. That was in the 9th round. I don't know what's with Pacquiao in 9th rounds, but Pacquiao does a lot of destruction in the 9th round for some reason. I don't know why. And then Brandon Rios. Boom! Knock Brandon Rios back. When you hitting a guy a shot, it knocks him off his feet, sort of like, and he has to rock back. That's a good shot, man. That's the kind of punching power Manny Pacquiao has. Rock his ass backwards. So all of those fights were before the Marquez fight. And Pacquiao is a beast, man. Come on now. Rocking everybody backwards. Timothy Brady finds himself on his backside. Boom. Boom. Rocking everybody back. Rock back. Rock back. Rock back. This motherfucker getting knocked across the ring. This is a 5'4", 5'3" guy. This dude, he hits the canvas. Boom. Feet gone. Hits the canvas. Rock back. You know there was a song, Lean Back. Lean back. Look at him lean back. There was a point in the fight though where it looked like a Marcos Maidana fight where Adrian Broner was just taking punishment. I'll never forget that. And he looked like the Adrian Broner that was in the Marcos Maidana fight. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Manny Pacquiao is a beast, man. You gotta give him that. Let's celebrate him, man. 40 years old. And it ain't a no-brainer that Pacquiao is gonna go for the winner of Errol Spence versus Mikey Garcia next. That's what he's gonna go for. But he said he didn't show up for the Keith Thurman fight. He didn't show up for Sean Porter's fight. He didn't show up for either of them. So I expect him to be ringside for the Errol Spence fight, which shows that, you know, Pacquiao's that dude he's literally looking for that fight. And of course, it makes sense. It makes money. It makes dollars and cents. And then, of course, if he could get the Mayweather fight, that makes sense, too. Remember, this guy's at the end of his career, too, huh? Beautiful stuff. So let's celebrate Manny Pacquiao, man. And for a short little guy like that, he's a beast, man. He a beast. That's what it is. All right, guys. Have a good one.